Hi, I'm Ante, and I'm the owner of the Learning Graphic Game Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on referencing and rough draft. So for my new video game is called my third video game is called Netto War. And here is my reference that you should always reference your video game to design a video game. Uh, And this is my rough draft drawing, the interface of the video game. 16 by 9 screen. It should be in cell phone and desktop. So my video game idea is in 2D drawing about choosing A to D four answers. Choose one of the four answers. And about decision making in the war, during the war. So thank you.